Bob Olson, I'm mechanical engineer working at Brown Engineering in 1967, 68 for NASA. And they got me on a drafting board doing comparisons to different pieces of equipment. And then they come by and want me to design a docking target for the spaceships. So I'm drawing up this, and you've seen them. It's
Which spaceship?
do what?
Saturn.
What spaceship?
Saturn.
I thought it was a space station.
No, the space station
Way beyond.
wasn't there then.
Okay.
Well, I think they had a thing they called an orbital workshop
Okay.
before the spaceship. Match was for that orbital workshop. But anyway, you've seen it. It looks like a circle, and in the center of it's got two prongs and a prong sticking up. So when they're coming in, you can see it. Yeah. Anyway, they gave me that, and I'm drawing it up and looking up materials and things to hold all that in place, and they want it as low as it could be when they're shooting off the rocket. So they want it collapsed, but when they get up there, they want to extend it to where there's some depth perception. So when they get it up and they get rid of the cover they use when they shoot the rocket off, they want to deploy this docking target, at least the upper part of it. So I'm working on that and how to deploy it, and what to do, and you can get electric motors and gears and whatever, but I thought way up in space and need to keep it simple. So I decided to put that in there with a spring and a pin that you could just activate and pull that pin. That's all it'd be, just pull the pin. There was nothing else to work. So I'm working on all that, and I go out and I talk to and had to, machine grooves to hold the docking target just right when it was extended, and they let me go talk to machine shop, and we worked all that out.
Prototypes.
Yeah, and then I'm down to where I don't know what strength spring to use. So I call NASA, and somebody in NASA gives me this figure, and I don't remember what it was. And so I use it, and the spring going out with a mass. Anyway, when they get to reviewing it for kind of the final time, the guy looks at that and says, "Well, you're going to show the whole spacecraft off orbit with this. It's going to be too strong." So I had to go back and redesign it with a smaller spring. And I actually had to design the spring. So I had to learn how to design the spring. I did all that. Now, the one they use looks just like it. But whether it's the one I designed or not, I don't know. End of story.